Hello students, good morning. Now we start the next chapter of class 10 mathematics. That's a probability. Probability in class 9 you already studied. What is probability? So approx 60% is a topic, concepts, question is same as in class 9. So before starting, first we discuss the formulas of probability and the concepts. So what is probability? Chance, possibilities. Means if I say any box contains some English letters, if I say what is the possibility of selecting A, if I say how many A here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many total letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means out of 12 letters we have 4A. Number of A occurring is maximum, so probabilities of A occurring maximum. So that means you can say out of 12, that is 4A, this is the probability of selecting A. If I say what is the probability of selecting B, so out of total 12, that is we selecting 6, that is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 3. For C selecting from 12, same, we selecting 2, because we only 2C here. Means if you consider this concept, so you can say the numerator is a number of the possibilities in the following event, and the upon is a total possibilities in event. So the formula to find the probability of any event, is equal to number of possible outcome upon total number of outcomes. This is the first formula of probability. If I say here, what's the probability of D? So how many D here? Out of 12, no D. So possibility of D is 0. If I say probability of any English letter, that is out of 12, that is total 12, all 12 letters are English. Here is suppose it 3. So that is the 13 upon 12 upon 13, because 13 total and 12 is English letter. But in this case, all are the English letters. So we can say that the probability of selecting English letter in this event is 12 upon 3, 12, that is 1. So it's proved that कि 12 upon 12 is the final possibilities, means that is the maximum outcomes in this event. So the probability is never greater than 1, because the fraction is greater than 1 when the denominator is less than numerator. So the fraction is greater than 1. Means numerator greater, denominator smaller. So the fraction is greater than 1. But in this case of probability, numerator is always less than denominator or equal to denominator. No any case are formed in these all where you say that the numerator is greater than denominator, because number of outcomes is never greater than the total outcomes. So you can say the upper part is always less than lower part or equal to. Equal to means equal to 1. So you can say the probability of any event is always less than 1 or equal to 1. And greater than 0 or equal to 0. Probability of any event is not greater than 1 or less than 0. Means this is always positive values between 0 to 1. So you can say the range of probability 0 to 1. This concept you read in class 11, study in class 11. Okay, what we have to retain topics, but only for your knowledge, we can write that the range of probability is 0 to 1. So there's a probability. If I say here, you can have this. If I say probability of A out of 9, 6A, so 2 by 3. If I say probability of B out of 9, 3B, 1 by 3. Or you can say probability of B and the sum of probability of A. You can find that 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 LCM, 3 by 3, 1. What do you think? Because the total probability is 1, so the number of events formed here, the all possible probabilities, sum is always 1. So by using this concept, you can say that if you find the probability of B, that is equal to 1 minus probability of A, taking LCM, is the same. That means you say that if one probability is given and you want to find the other probabilities, but in only 2 probabilities occurs in this event, so you can directly 1 minus. Or you can say, if I say What is the probability of not A? So not A means not A, not A, not A, not A, not A. 1, 2, 3. 1/3. Or you can say probability of not A, the same symbol. Not A and is also not A, the same. 1 minus probability of A. 1 minus probability of A. Taking LCM 1/3. Same as. Means if any probability is given, you find the value of not probability. So always 1 minus probability of this. So what you get the third formula, probability of any event and the probability of not event, sum is always 1. That's a 3 formula of the probability. 1, 2, 3 is the concepts you have to use in this chapter. Pause the video and note down. If I say probability of winning the match by team is 0.63, find the probability of losing the match if no match draw. So probability of winning match 0.63, probability of losing match, you want to find that. Same probability outcomes occurs is given, we want the probability not occurs. So we want to find the losing the match directly. That's a 1 marks question board examination. 1 minus 0.63. So many students are confused how we subtract them. So 1.00, 0.63, equal them with the decimal place, then you can carry 1, it's 9 or this 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, 3, 0. 0.37 is the probability of the losing the match. Okay, pause the video, note down. If I say what is the random experiment? Random experiment means when we do anything and the outcome is not fixed. Outcomes is not fixed. It's not pre-decided कि when we do this, so the outcome is always this. So that's called random experiment. Then the sample space, that is all possible outcomes. Just like if we take a box, there are 12 experiments, 12 outcomes, that is a total sample space. Event means any types of event we have to occur throwing the dice, tossing the coin, choose a playing cards, choose a ball, person, they all are the events. There's a three types of event. Sure event, impossible event, and equal outcomes event, and the fourth is unequal. Four types of event. Means sure event means the probability of any event is always 1. That means you have two marker, choose any black marker. So either you choose this or you choose this without any types of cheating, without any types of casing, hiding. Always you choose the black marker because both are the black. It's a sure event. But we say that choose a red marker out of these two markers. So there is no red marker. From any types of changing and you select one marker, you always get black marker. So the impossible event means it never comes. That is the probability of event is always 0. And the equal outcomes. Suppose that is a red marker, that is a black marker. We say select any one marker, that is a black marker. So black marker 1/2 possibility, red marker 1/2 possibilities. Because both have the equal numbers of outcomes. Both have the equal numbers of outcomes. The equal outcomes event probability is always 1/2. Half 50%. That is the 100% chance. That is the 0% chance. That is the 50% chance. And unequal means all the events. Means probability of event A is not equal to probability of event B, is not equal to probability of event C, dash dash dash. They are unequal events. Just like A, B, C, D selecting, all three probabilities are different. So these types of event is called unequal outcomes. Okay? Pause video and note down. So take some examples by using the formula of probabilities. Well, first question, you have to read them. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and the 4 green marbles. Red marbles 5, white marble 8, green marbles 4. One marble is taken out of the box at random. Find the probability of the marble taken out will be red, white, or not red, not green. First, probability of red marbles. Second, probability of white marbles. Third, probability of not green. So simply, first you find the total number of marbles, that is 5 plus 8 plus 4, 17 marbles in a bag. A box contains 17 marbles. The probability of red marbles out of 17, 5. Answer. White marbles 8 upon 17. Not green means except green, that is the 8, 5, 13 marbles. Or you can say probability of not green is equal to 1 minus probability of green, 1 minus green probability, that is 4 by 17, 17 minus 4, 13 by 17. So that your options, you can find this directly or this, when the probability of not given, not green, so 1 minus probability of green. Pause the video, note down. Take one more example. Suppose that a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this figure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the arrow, when we are spinning this, they will stop anywhere. So what is the probability of 8, probability of odd numbers, probability of greater than 2, probability of less than 9. So probability of 8, how many 8 here? Only 1. So 1 upon 8. This 8 is the total number of outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not this 8. Total counting is 8, so we can write 8. And how many 8 comes? That is 1 times. Suppose that here also 8. So total counting is also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total counting 8. But 8 comes 2 times. Don't be confused while many students write 8. No. How many 8 here? So that is the 3. So 1 by 8. Odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7. 4 upon 8, 1 by 2. Always give the answer in simplest form. 4 odd numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 upon total. Greater than 2 means greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 8. 3 by 4. Less than 9. So less than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All numbers are less than 9. So 8 upon 8, that is 1. Okay. There are simple questions comes in board examinations for 2 marks, 3 marks. If this question comes in 2 marks, so half marks, half marks, half marks, half marks. Okay. Pause, note down.